Hello, beautiful babes. It's Sweet Angel. To the newcomers, thanks so much for stopping by. Please feel free to go ahead and subscribe and hit that little bell, and that way you won't miss my upcoming videos and you'll become one of my beloved beautiful babes. For my bona fide beautiful babes, welcome back and thank you for your constant support. Y'all know it means the world to me. Y'all, today, oh my goodness, have we not talked about this before? Have we not tried all the remedies out there to see what really works? Well, you know, your girl Sweet Angel is always going to bring you something to mix it up. I want to make sure there's options for everyone. And if you're just at home chilling today, this is some great stuff for you to try out. How to get rid of eye bags in 20 minutes, and the results will definitely surprise you. Y'all, we are going to dive into 6 wonderful, wonderful natural home remedies that for sure one of these will work for you. Let's get started with number 1. Now here, all you have to do is take some chilled milk. Y'all, chilled milk is amazing for eye bags. Let me tell you, the lactic acid in the milk helps to reduce puffiness and darkness. It'll make the area around and under the eye feel tighter and less puffy in no time. Just dip cotton pads in chilled milk and leave on your eyes for 20 to 30 minutes. And that's so simple and so easy. You're going to be like, wow, why didn't I think of this before? Now, number 2, let's get to something even more simple. We're going to be taking sliced raw potatoes. That's all it takes. Sliced raw potatoes. Just get the potatoes from your refrigerator. Make sure they're chilled. Y'all, potatoes are a fantastic natural remedy to get rid of under eye puffiness. See, the enzymes and the astringent properties in these vegetables help reduce inflammation and help to tighten the skin. And not only that, this remedy will also help get rid of wrinkles and dark eye circles. That's right, got dark circles around the eyes? This is a good one for you. All you have to do with this is take these slices of chilled raw potatoes and leave on your eyes for 15 to 20 minutes. How easy can it get? Number 3, we're going to actually be taking chilled cucumbers. Yeah, I said it. Cucumbers have long been used as a remedy for puffy eyes. They contain antioxidants that help reduce irritation, and the cold reduces puffiness. Just put the cucumber slices in a bag and chill them in the refrigerator. As simple as that. And then when they're finished chilling out, all you have to do is take them and cover your eyes for 20 minutes. And voila, there you go, depuffed eyes. Now the next one, I know you've heard of this one, using green tea bags. Yes, indeed, green tea bags are absolutely amazing, but let me let you off the hook. Just in case you don't have the green tea, you just got some regular tea, you can just use you some tea. I prefer green tea. The benefits of using green tea or any tea bag as a cold compress are amazing. Let me just talk about reducing the puffiness in the eyes, also reducing dark circles under the eyes, relieving pink eye, and soothing redness. Absolutely amazing. The cool tea bags used as a compress will improve the appearance of puffiness and mild swelling under the eyes. You're going to be simply like, girl, I'm in. And it's so affordable. Just wet the tea bags with water and refrigerate for a few minutes. Or you can do like I do when I'm in a hurry. Take the water, drop in an ice cube, and just squeeze it out just a little bit. Go ahead and put the chilled green tea bags, or whatever tea bags you have, over your eyes for about 20 to 30 minutes. Don't tell me it didn't work, because I don't want to hear it. But do let me know in the comments section, which one of these have you ever used? Did it work for you? Or one that you're going to use? I'd love to know about it. Put that in the comments section for me, along with my hearts that I so much love. Listen, I have 2 more for y'all. The next one, I think I have mentioned this one before. We're just going to be taking a teaspoon of baking soda. That's right, I said baking soda. Baking soda will help to reduce the puffiness under the eyes, as well as helping to alleviate dark circles. Yes, it does. All it takes is just adding a teaspoon of baking soda in a bowl of hot water, or you can also use your tea water as well. Just mix well. Then you're going to take 2 cotton pads and soak them in the solution and place them on your eyes. Leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse off and apply a moisturizer. Definitely do that, because the baking soda can be a little drying, if you know what I mean. And y'all, the final one, again, simple and easy and simple. The beloved rose water. Rose water doesn't just smell fantastic, it can also soothe and rejuvenate tired skin. It's a mild astringent, so it can work as a skin toner. Yes, just take 2 cotton pads and soak them with rose water in a bowl. Lay back and apply them to your eyes and leave on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Y'all, not only does the aroma relax you, but putting this over your eyes, you're going to see a difference, a major difference in the puffiness within minutes. Again, about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, any of these you can use both night and day, but just to enhance reducing puffy eyes and also helping with dark circles, try these nightly treatments along with whichever one of these remedies you decide to use. You can use, for a nightly treatment, vitamin E oil or even almond oil under your eyes. Leave them on overnight, and this can be used every single day until you see those wonderful results. Not only that, you can use coconut oil. I have both organic solid coconut oil or either fractionated coconut oil. Put either of these under the eyes, leave on overnight, and continue this every single day until you see results. Beautiful babes, this is it. It's time for some major self-care. While you have a little extra time on your hands, go ahead and try one of these home remedies today. And if you do, make sure, again, you let me know in the comments section. Now, beautiful babes, aren't these some great, easy home remedies of things you just have in the kitchen? Wow, I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, getting ready to sign out for now. But beautiful babes, don't forget to like this video. If you definitely got something out of it, make sure you drop me some hearts to let me know you love it. And if you have any questions, also comment section is where you do that at also. And beautiful babes, again, if you're a newbie, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell, because we want you on the beautiful babe team. And beautiful babes, I'm calling you my beautiful babes because I know you're not going to keep me a secret. You got to tell everybody why you looking so cute. So please make sure you share me with your world. And I'll see you and you on the next one.